In today's video, I'm going to teach you repeat teams meeting notes with Microsoft Loop. We're going to set up a simple, repeatable system for meeting prep, live note taking, and follow-up, all inside Microsoft Teams using Loop. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and switching to the calendar view. Choose New to create a meeting. Give it a clear, action-focused title, add attendees, set the date and time, and include any basic context in the description so people know what to expect. Before you send the invite, add a loop component right in the meeting invite, or if you prefer, post it in the meeting chat once the meeting is created. Choose the type that fits your style, an agenda to shape the conversation, a checklist for prep items, or a simple table if you want, columns for topics, owners, and time boxes. The goal is to let participants add agenda items and attach materials ahead of time, so you start the meeting already aligned. If you post it in chat, drop a quick note encouraging everyone to contribute before the session. During the meeting, use the same loop component to capture notes in real time. Record key points under each agenda item, call out decisions as you make them, and co-author together so everyone sees updates instantly. A quick tip: label decisions clearly and add a short rationale. That context saves time later. When you're ready to turn discussion into action, insert a loop task list component, assign each task with an at mention, add a clear description, and set a due date. These tasks automatically sync with Microsoft Planner and To Do, so owners see them where they already manage work. Encourage people to update status directly in the component to keep the source of truth clean. After the meeting ends, the loop component stays available in both the meeting chat and the calendar invite. Use it for follow-ups, late-breaking updates, and to track completion. You can pin the message in chat for quick access and add a brief summary at the top so newcomers understand what changed. If you need to share more broadly, copy the loop component into a Teams channel, an email, or even a whiteboard. It remains live and synchronized so everyone always sees the latest version. Just verify sharing permissions if you're crossing teams. For recurring meetings, create a dedicated Loop workspace, organize each session on its own page, keep a consistent agenda template, and link recordings and shared files in one place. Over time, you'll build a searchable history of decisions, tasks, and outcomes, making every repeat meeting more productive than the last.